Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the XC Mad Drift. It's gonna be a 6S pass. I tried a few times with this already and I failed. Forgot, I didn't know I blew a Hoon, so I just corrected that. Hopefully it holds up. Time to start it. I'm gonna let this car go past, see if she can make a clean pass. I forgot to charge my battery. I had to put another battery up there, if y'all can see that. And that's a 2S that's up there. I'm used to running a 3. So hopefully I still get my same range. We got like 2 cars coming. This is one of them. See what this next one is doing. I've been getting a lot of stalling. I don't know, I've been doing a lot of funniness. So we're gonna see if she still got it in her. I done broke 107 and 108 with the same setup, but I still think it has more, so that's what I'm out here to see. Sorry about the long video, guys. I will put down in the description when the run starts, so y'all ain't gotta hear me babble. I got one right now coming. Once he passes, I should be good. That's that cargo right there. Even when this kid, shit, lower than this, it's still cog, so don't make no difference. I don't know if it's, I think it's an ESC. We'll see in a few. She still put up a number or 2. Moving a little better. Turn it around. Alright, y'all, let's bring it down, see what she do. Tire blew out on me. There they got ugly. Get there, I got that brake on high, but it was moving that time. GPS shut off on me, guys. You believe that? That's probably from all that damn vibration. Let me show y'all where it's blown at. That's from rubbing on the body. So that's where it's blown out at. Rubbing up over there. Let's see where this GPS shut off. It should have shut off at the top of the run. That's where the vibration started at. Let me skip all this. So at 95.7 it shut off. Just started getting into it and the tire blew. Anyway, we're gonna get back out with this. That wasn't, at least I know it's moving now. Before it wasn't even trying to come down the road, but now I know why, because this damn tire was blown. Alright, man, y'all stay tuned for more. He got one boy puzzle right now. Nice keep together. Stay right in this lane too.